Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Emanuela. If you are all here, welcome back. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. On this channel I share about different sites and on different ways to make money online, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an interesting site in which you can make money online legibly by participating in different offers, in different contests, in shopping online, in playing different games, as well as referring others to the site, and you make money online. How do you make money with Lootup? With Lootup, 1,000 points is equal to $1, and imagine making up to 100,000 points, that is equal to $100. I'm going to be showing you 10 different ways in which you can make points with Lootup, and you convert the points into cash and you cash out using the different payout methods that are available on this site, such as PayPal money, gift cards such as Amazon or Walmart, as well as cryptocurrency. Signing up for an account with Lootup is actually free, and I'm going to be sharing in details the 10 different ways in which you can make points with Lootup and the different ways in which you can cash out with the different cash out methods. So before I share my screen with you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do so by clicking on that red subscribe button below this video. Also smash the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. As you can see on your screen, this is Lootup, and you can get to this section by typing in lootup.me, and you get to this official website where they say earn rewards for completing simple daily tasks, which include high-paying surveys, completing offers, spin the wheel daily, play games, shop online, weekly and monthly contests, free giveaways, then earn cashback, and you watch videos. And these are the following payout methods. As you can see here, this is Visa, this is Amazon gift card, this is Walmart, this is Google Pay, this is PayPal, and this is Bitcoin. So these are the different payout methods on Lootup. So you can sign up for an account using your Google account or Facebook, and after you do that, it will lead you to this section, and on top of your screen, go to the drop down arrow on the earn section. These are the different ways in which you can earn money. You can earn points on this side. I'm just going to go ahead and start with surveys. When you click on take surveys, it's going to lead you to the section where you have different surveys in which you can participate in. So these are surveys. They say participate in surveys, and as you can see, these are the different points. So for each survey that you participate, it has the amount of points that you can make by participating on the surveys. So go back to the end and click watch videos, and with this option I'm going to make a video and explain how to create an account to watch Hive videos on Hive TV, because if you don't have that account, you won't be able to watch these videos. So I'm going to make a video on how to create the account so that you can participate in watching this video on Hive TV. So go back to the end. When you go back to the end, you see complete offers, which is the third ways in which you can make points, and these are the different offers: play games, earn easy math quiz, you solve easy mathematics questions and you make points, you equally play different games and other tasks and you make money here. Then go to offer wars. Under earn again, you click on offer wars. When you click on offer wars, it's going to lead you to the section where you have different offer wars offers in which you can participate in, and each participation that you do has an accompanying points which will go ahead to help you increase your points. So as you can see, There are sign up offers, there are free offers, there are mobile app offers, there are offer walls as well. And you go ahead and participate in some. You need to download different apps and so on. Then you go back to earn and you take cash back extension, which I'm going to explain later in this video. So I'm just going to leave this one for now, but I'll explain it. So going over to the 6th way in which you can make points on this side, I'm just going to click on giveaways. So you can participate in giveaways, in which, for example, this one we have 35,000 Lootup points allocated for 50 winners, which is free. So we have free giveaways and we have paid giveaways. So these are the paid ones, meaning that you need to have some certain number of points in your account before entering into this giveaway. As you can see right here, this is the free one. They say you have reached your participation limit. So there is a particular limit that you reach and you won't be able to participate again. As you can see, I've participated in 36 different giveaways. So it's remaining 64 for me for that day. So this, you can sign up for an account and you start participating with the free ones. Then you can participate with the paid ones like 25 points, 50 points, 100 points when you have already accumulated points on this side. So this is another way in which you can make points on this side by participating in giveaways, by entering into different giveaways, the free and the paid giveaways. So you can sign up for an account and you start by participating with the free giveaway, Lootup point giveaways. So as you can see right here, you can participate in the different contests. For example, this is contest right here. We have weekly contest of 100,000 points, monthly 1 million points, and as you can see, weekly is 100,000 points, monthly is 1 million points. So you click here on start completing offers now and all the like. So you can see out of the 100,000 points or 1 million points, it has been allocated for each and every person. As you can see right here, they say 27,500 for the first point, 26,400, 20,003, 27, and all the like, until it will go up. So you won't be able to win all the 100,000 points or 1 million points you alone. So they usually select a number of winners, and below the screen they say previous week winners. You can see how the other people win below the screen, as you can see. So these are the different contests that you can go ahead and you participate in, and you may be one of the winners that they will select you. So you can participate weekly or you can participate monthly, as you can see right here. So you can actually refer others to the site, which is another way in which you can make points. They say earn many referral contest points as possible by referring friends, family, social media followers, and more to Lootup. Concerning referrals, when you click on referrals, you see a referral link here, which I'm going to put mine on the description box below. So please make sure you sign up using my referral link, and I will appreciate that so much. The last method under earn, which is the cashback with Lootup. They say Lootup now offer various ways for members to earn cashback to shop at over 50,000 online store and gain access to deals, discount, and extra cash with the Lootup deal finder. Simply install the Google Chrome browser to unlock better prices and earn cashback when shopping directly on external brand site. So you can actually shop on external sites here and you have advantages of discounts and all the like. Okay, I have 55 points right here, and this is how I have gotten the 55 points. I've gotten the 55 points by following my profile questions, by answering my profile questions and the different tasks that has been asked from me during the sign up process, as you can see right here. And if you actually refer others, you are going to see your referral earnings here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you another method. I think this is the last method. So when you come to the end section, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here they say if you have a promo code, you can put it here. When you put it here, you click on apply. Then the last way in which you can make points is by spinning the wheel. I've already explained this. So when you click on spin the wheel, you click there. It's going to lead you to this section. Then you click start. And you have, for example, I have 55 points right here, and I have 1 spin per day, and 1 spin is equals to 20 points. So when you click on start pin, as you can see, 20 free points has been added to me. So you can still sign up for this account and you just participate in spinning the wheel every day and you make 20 points. As you can see, I have 75 points right now. So 20 points has been added to the 55 points that I had initially on my account. In order to cash out your money, if you have above 1,000 points, just come over to redeem. When you click on redeem, it's going to lead you to this section where you have crypto as one of the payment options, gift cards and PayPal. So you go ahead and select yours in which you want to cash out. For example, with crypto, for example, when you click on this drop down arrow, you select either Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. So you select each of these crypto to cash out your points, but make sure it should be above 1,000 points in order to cash out. You can actually cash out with gift cards. For example, here you can enter Amazon or Walmart. Then you enter your email address. Then you click here, confirm. As well as you can cash out with PayPal. When you click on PayPal, you enter the number of points that you have here. Then it will convert to dollars. So example, 8,000 points is equals to $8. Then you enter your PayPal email here. Then you click on confirm and your money will be cashed out. As you can see, I have 75 points, which is not up to 1,000 points to make $1. So stay tuned because I'm going to make a payment proof video on how I cash out on this site. So guys, this is how Lootup function. If you find any value in this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and equally subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. Also smash the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. In case you have any question, let me know on the comment section below, and see you in my next one.